put the axle on, kind of snugged up the U-bolts. We measured from the flange to the outside of the perch. Then we just measured the springs from side to side, here to there, in the middle, from there to there, and up front from there to there, to make sure the springs were not, you know, this way or this way. And we got, what was it, like 6 and 9/16 of an inch from here to the flange on both sides. So axle centered, and then basically we put up our C-notch kit, and then we just spray black paint, and the black area is what's gonna get cut out, and we'll cut out across on the bottom, and then bolt it up. Then we'll probably put some jack stands up front so the frame doesn't fucking taco. But anyways, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're gonna do it. Yeah, we got it. Knock it out. C-notch. All right, we're done. Moment of truth. Perfect. And of course, that was the first try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can achieve results like this if you measure 3 times and just cut once.
Right. And you know, you have the support of
Double jetty
and you know. So what we're gonna do?
We're gonna clamp this down. We're gonna use the transfer punches, mark our holes, drill our holes, bolt it down, and we're gonna stitch weld it into the frame just for some added protection.
Yeah. And then we might do the other side.
Transfer punch. Buy some.
Transfer punch.
Buy some.
Oh yeah, buy some. Makes it easy. That shouldn't go anywhere. So we're gonna throw a couple welds on top, just a couple, just because it's such a long span of nothing. So very nice. All right, this side's ready to cut. Gonna do the same thing as the other side. Clean it up, put a couple welds on top, just for, you know, make us feel better inside. So that side's done. All right, C-notches are done. We do the same thing to that side, weld to the top, and yeah, we're gonna drop it and see how low it is. See if yeah, let me jack this bad boy up. Are you ready? Sweet. good.
That's low as shit.
Yes. Pretty low.
Oh yeah, it went up in the front, dude.
Did it go up in the front?
Yeah, look.
Exhaust is back on. Drive line. Cutting the bed. Bed's almost ready to go on. Alright, go ahead, man. Oh yeah. Pretty cool, man. Now